Hello everyone, welcome back to this class. In this class, we will discuss about aircraft stability and control. For today class, we will focus on aircraft longitudinal stability and control, and then in upcoming classes, we will discuss about the lateral stability and control as well as the directional stability and control. So I already given you the definition of the what do you mean by static stability, what do you mean by dynamic stability, but here we will do the some detailing of aircraft longitudinal stability.